What is up? What is up, guys? Jerry here with a new video. I'm currently driving right now. This is pretty much an early morning kind of vlog. You guys know Lewis, he's up front. We're gonna probably do his oil change at the shop. My boss decided not to work today, so we're gonna find out what we can do with his truck. We're gonna do an oil change in it, and we can't do it out in the rain, so we're gonna go down to my shop, and yeah. So I'll get back with you guys in a bit. All right, guys. So we made it. Let me go open the shop real quick. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hold on. Do this one first. Okay. All right, coming in. I think that's good. Oh damn, it's still on. Damn, bro, the vlog hasn't seen you in a minute.
I know, right?
Alright, so everything should be in there. It was? I closed it. Come in here. It might have opened by itself.
Clearly not.
Let me get my hat. I forgot. It's in the car. Ah. It's Hurricane Florence, day 2. Alright, that's better. See the advantages of having a shop, bro. You don't gotta work in the rain. My dad came in clutch, look. We got an LED.
That's
Then you got so much space in here. Turbo right there.
kind of want to put it diesel.
Diesel swap.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. All right, let's see what's up. So where's the oil pan at? It is. It's back there. I think it's better if I go through the other side.
You got water in here too.
You do. Damn it. Are all the tools in there? Are all the tools in here? I don't know if to take some out. I don't know. Let's see though. Damn it, this is gonna be hard. Okay, here it is. Here's that. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Yeah, it's this one. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think, damn it, I need a light. Yeah. How do I? There it is. It's leaking. It's peeing. Shoot, I almost got a light. It's peeing. Alright, so I took the drain bolt out. Bolt out. I said bowl. Okay guys, so we kind of loosened the oil filter up too. It's right next to the drain plug. I don't know if you guys can see that. but it's right next to it. On this truck it is. Some of them is hard as fuck to get off. I'm amazed that it's right there. But it's dripping slowly, so yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we're done down there. Oh, take this stuff out. Damn it, I need to get something else. Alright, so I'm all wet now. And I got my hat wet. What the heck? It literally like soaked in a puddle, dude. This hat's taking so much abuse, and it's my favorite hat. Now we just gotta put the oil. So, should be good. We made that maze shift funnel. We cut the top hat. This light sucks. Yeah, it's not that good.
Better than
Not
nothing.
recommendations. It's probably that eBay.
But it's better than nothing. That's all.
How much is your phone?
Oh, that's okay. Going down, going down.
How many bottles did you buy?
It only takes this and two more. Well, one more.
So how many quarts is this? 4, I think? No, right.
This is 5.
5? 5 quarts and so 6 quarts?
Mm-hmm. I don't know why. I should have let go of this funnel supposedly, and I could have opened it easier. But nah, I decided to do it one-handed.
Yeah.
Going in, going in, going in. It's all in now.
Look at our funnel, man. You might keep that too. So that should be good.
Yeah, it should be good.
That should be it.
Oh, you want to see it now? How it looks? The oil.
Oh, yeah, it's the oil. Dude.
Shit was black.
We need to do the oil change in the Subaru next, guys. But not today. But yeah, it's looking black, so we gotta start doing that. And my head's on the floor, but it's okay. We got a hurricane out here. That's usually having a shop. Feel me? Okay, so that would be it for today, guys. Don't forget to give a like to this video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, you know, we're gonna keep on grinding. We're gonna probably go home or do something, I don't know, but yeah, peace out, guys.